Maxdecal presents a new product that reaches the home industry by releasing the D.I.Y craft series. The latest product range presented by Maxdecal is here to meet your need who like to be creative with visual ideas such as printing stickers, logo stickers, animated stickers, mosaic stickers, and product label stickers. One of the products presented by Maxdecal D.I.Y craft series is Maxdecal Sticker Vinyl White Glossy PP Coating Inkjet. Maxdecal Sticker Vinyl White Glossy PP Coating Inkjet has a milky white color with a glossy finish and good durability so it doesn't tear easily. Maxdecal D.I.Y series using water-based adhesive technology is very suitable to be applied to sticker material that has a water-based coating, so that it makes the sticker more waterproof, water resistant. Maxdecal D.I.Y series can be printed for Epson, Canon, HP, Brother, and other printers. Roll holder made of sturdy fleet material on the left and right and with a sturdy aluminum roll holder that has a long durability. You can adjust the roll holder from 15 cm to 33 cm according to your needs. D.I.Y stickers can be printed using dye ink, pigment ink, or paper ink, and all other variants of water-based ink. Maxdecal also launched water-based inks suitable for Epson All series and EcoTank printers.